Coming up, we'll take a look at the basics of the market cycle. Where do you buy and sell on this chart as an example? Have a think. The basics of the market cycle. Okay, so this is the accumulation phase where people are slowly buying a token coin or whatever, or a stock. And then you've got the run up, the markup, and then we've got it where people start selling, they're distributing it, and then it's running down, Markdown, where people are selling, and then we re-enter accumulation again, and the cycle eventually repeats. So where would you buy and sell on this chart? The correct place would be here, waiting for bullish confirmation. So a clear move to the upside, a slow curve is fine. That's when people will really start to get in. Okay, a lot of the whales would have been buying here, and now the market is moving. That's where you want to buy in at the end of the accumulation or consolidation period, and just as it's indicating that it's about to change into a more bullish uptrend. So you'd buy here, then you have the run up, and then when you've got confirmation that the market has peaked, that would be maybe waiting to see a lower high or a lower low in the price action, then you would sell, waiting for confirmation to buy, waiting for confirmation of a change in the trend to sell, and then you've got the rundown. Now that may seem pretty obvious, however, most people who are new to the market do this. Elon Musk will tweet something about Dogecoin, say this was Dogecoin, and then it'll run up, and then everybody will be like, oh, you got to buy Dogecoin, you've got to buy Dogecoin, and then they'll buy here, and then you get the distribution, everyone starts to sell off, and then you're like, oh my god, it's going to recover, it's going to come back around, but it never does, and then you panic sell here at a loss. So you miss the entire cycle simply because you bought green and sold red, when you should be buying red, or rather buying in accumulation and then selling when it's green. This is something you see all of the time. You hear these stories from these Dogecoin millionaires who say they invested 20,000, 100,000 in any particular coin, and then they don't sell it when there's confirmation of a change in the trend. And then they just say, oh no, it's gonna go up even higher, it's just gonna go, and they don't sell it, and then they lose everything. They lose the million they made. To succeed in this market, just remember this basic principle of market cycles.